In this piece I'm going to show you how to play Oasis by Debbie Cracknell, taken from the Trinity Classical Exam Guitar Grade 1. As always, I'm going to play the piece in two different tempos, one at speeds at 88 ppm, and there's also a slower version for you to practice along. I'm also going to give you some tips, and there's a fun fact at the end of the piece, so be sure to stick around. My name is Vinny from Neuzugang, where we're all about learning and well-being. Here's Oasis at speed at 88 ppm. Here we go. And here's a slow down version at 60 ppm. Here we go. Here's tip number one. From bar number one, you play the open A string and you play the melody on top. So be sure to keep that A sustained and don't stop it. Tip number two, there are a couple of flats and sharps. So all the B's are B flats and all the C's are C sharps. It's very important because this gives us this Oasis vibe. It's like B flats and C sharps are the Oasis. And here's tip number three, it's a bit more of a practical one. Be nice to your neighbors and don't practice at 3 o'clock in the morning. The band Oasis, you know, Wonderwall. Today is gonna be the day. This band, always when they went on stage, they insisted on having beans on toast before they played a concert. That's what I read on the internet. Might be true, might be not true, but I think it's true. It's true. Is it true? Who doesn't want to have pizza? Let me know how you get on in the comments. If you have any questions, drop them there. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I see you all in the next video.